So everything that you can see here is recycled. And that over there, can you look over there? That is the trash we collected from the sea. See, the trash of the sea. Is that good? No. So we do not throw the trash of the sea, correct? Because the turtles and the other animals will die. Yeah. Like that? It's okay. Okay. All you have to do is alternate them like this. Thank you, Crow. You're such a good kid. Alternate like this.
You need to follow.
Can you do it?
That's wrong.
I don't know how to do it.
You don't know?
Okay, I will show you. First, you have to grab this one. And you have to put it under, over this, under this, over this, under this. You also use your hand. Ready to do it? Like this up. You want to go over that eagle? Do you want to sit on the eagle? No? Okay, it's fine. Careful, careful. Do you want to go there? Careful.
You need to sit down properly.
First time.
Opo. You need to sit down properly, na.
They're kind of heavy.
Come here. Jump in there.
Okay. 5 more. Yay! Are you a farmer? You're now Farmer Craig. Farmer Craig! Do you have rice? Not yet. Okay. Did you feed the Carabao? More.
Kahit monti ang alaman doon ay sari-sari singama.
Silver. Ice is also. What? I thought you were Carabao. When I come to you. Ay, Captain! Gusto niyo ba? Then go. Are you ready?
Oh, okay.
What? You ready? Ready? Go inside! So this is the first ever train here. Have you tried the LRT? Yeah? This is similar. Hawakan, hindi mainit. Okay? Wow. Oh! You put it inside? Wala tayo sa namin. Ay, namalengke ka.
Nauna na. That's too much.
Careful. More. Make sure you eat all of it. Okay. Now,
Enough. You have plenty of vegetable now.
Do you eat shrimp? It's a pig face. You use it to cook sisig. Do you eat sisig? No?
Oh, you buy that?
Okay, sir. Payment, please. Oh, you're paying with Grab. No, sir. This is mine. I'm selling this one. Where's your payment? Do you know what that is? That's a lobster. Are you gonna buy the lobster? That's a shrimp? Yeah. Oh, they're fighting? Later we're gonna cook them. It's like lemon. Which one do you like better? Lemon or mango? Oh, you need to chop it first. Let's pretend you chopped it. You chop it. Oh, yeah. Juicer. Thank you. This. And down to the large intestine, which becomes this. And out of our body, which becomes poop. Good job. You're so smart. No, only here because it's round. Do you want to smell it?
saging, mangga, papaya, pagsamasamahin, paghalu-haluin, fruit salad.
Okay, number.
Saging, papaya,
Pagsama-samahin, paghalu-haluin, fruit salad, fruit salad. Saging, mangga, papaya, pagsama-samahin, paghalu-haluin, fruit salad, fruit salad. Ikatabi na mabilis sa dalawa tatlo. Saging, mangga, papaya, pagsama-samahin, paghalu-haluin, fruit salad, fruit salad.